Have you ever pondered on how AI will revolutionize industries by 2030? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a buzzword. It's a transformative force, a game changer that's set to redefine the way we work, live, and interact. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars anymore. AI is about intelligent algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, and so much more. From healthcare to manufacturing, retail to agriculture, AI's potential to transform industries is immense. And we're not just talking about incremental changes. We're talking about fundamental shifts in the way these industries operate, driven by AI's ability to analyze data, predict trends, automate tasks, and even make decisions. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this evolution as we count down the top 10 industries that will be at the forefront of this AI revolution. So, buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride into the future. Dive with us into the future as we count down the top 10 industries where AI will lead the charge by 2030. Starting at number 10, we have agriculture. With the world's population growing at an unprecedented pace, the need for food is more pressing than ever. Enter AI, the game changer in the field of agriculture. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we can enhance crop yields significantly. Imagine a world where every seed planted has the maximum chance of maturing into a healthy crop. That's the power of AI. Moreover, AI can optimize the use of resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides, ensuring we get the most out of every drop and grain. This not only leads to increased efficiency, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. It can predict weather patterns with astonishing accuracy, allowing farmers to prepare for adverse conditions and avoid substantial losses. The potential for AI to solve food scarcity issues is immense. It's like looking into a future where hunger is a thing of the past. The green revolution of the 20th century has nothing on the AI-powered agricultural transformation of 2030. Next up, at number 9, manufacturing. As we venture into the future, artificial intelligence will play a significant role in the manufacturing industry. Imagine a world where production processes are streamlined to perfection, quality control is improved beyond measure, and waste is reduced to a bare minimum. This is not a mere fantasy, but the reality we're heading towards. AI will power smart factories, a concept that combines advanced manufacturing techniques with information technology, data, and analytics. This will lead to the creation of a system where machinery and equipment are able to improve processes through automation and self-optimization. The benefits? Improved ability to adapt to new production requirements, dynamic response to changes, and efficient resource management. In essence, the factory of the future will be an ecosystem powered by AI. It won't just be about producing goods, but also about optimizing for the best possible outcomes. Manufacturing in 2030 will be a symphony of AI algorithms and robotics. At number 8, we have one of the most critical sectors, healthcare. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this field, playing an increasingly vital role in enhancing diagnosis and improving patient care. With AI's ability to learn from millions of medical records, it can predict diseases even before symptoms appear, making early intervention possible. Furthermore, AI is instrumental in developing new drugs. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify potential drug candidates at a fraction of the time it would take a human researcher. But that's not all. AI is also personalizing treatment. Imagine a world where your doctor knows exactly how a medicine will affect you, even before prescribing it. That's the power of AI. It can analyze genetic information and lifestyle factors to tailor treatments, making them more effective and reducing side effects. By 2030, AI might just become the best doctor in the world. Coming in at number 7, education. Picture this: a classroom where every student has a personal AI tutor, adapting the curriculum to their unique learning style and pace. That's the power of artificial intelligence in the realm of education. It allows for personalized learning, making sure no student is left behind in their academic journey. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also take over repetitive administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus more on what they do best: teaching. Imagine a world where attendance, grading, and scheduling are all handled by a smart system, giving educators more time to inspire and motivate their students. And let's not forget about immersive learning experiences. With AI and virtual reality, students can explore ancient civilizations, dissect virtual frogs, or even walk on the moon, all from the comfort of their classroom. Education in 2030 will be a tailor-made journey, thanks to AI. Moving on to number 6, retail. Picture this. You walk into a store and the store knows exactly what you're looking for. That might sound like science fiction, but with artificial intelligence, it's becoming reality. AI is revolutionizing the retail industry, making shopping experiences highly personalized. How does it work? Machine learning algorithms analyze your past purchases and browsing habits, then make tailored recommendations just for you. Imagine a world where you never have to spend hours searching for that perfect pair of shoes or the latest tech gadget. AI does the heavy lifting for you. But the benefits of AI in retail don't stop at the consumer level. It's also optimizing supply chains by predicting demand and managing inventory. No more empty shelves or overstocked items. And as for predicting consumer behavior, AI's got that covered too. With pattern recognition and predictive modeling, retailers can anticipate trends before they happen. Retail in 2030 will be a highly personalized and efficient experience. At the halfway mark, number 5, transportation. Imagine a world where your vehicle knows the fastest route, predicts traffic, and drives you to your destination safely, without you having to take the wheel. That's the promise of AI in transportation. It's not just about autonomous vehicles, but also about intelligent traffic management systems that can analyze real-time data to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. But the story doesn't end there. AI is also revolutionizing the logistics industry. It's helping companies predict the most efficient routes for delivery, forecast demand, and manage inventory. This could mean faster delivery times, lower costs, and more efficient operations. AI is also playing a crucial role in developing eco-friendly transportation solutions, like electric vehicles and smart grids, that can help us transition to a more sustainable future. By 2030, AI might make traffic jams a thing of the past. Imagine that, a world where your commute is hassle-free, efficient, and maybe even enjoyable. Powering up number 4, energy. Artificial intelligence is already making waves in the energy sector, and by 2030 it's poised to revolutionize the way we consume and produce power. Imagine a world where AI algorithms optimize energy consumption, reducing waste and boosting efficiency in our homes, workplaces, and cities. But it doesn't stop there. AI's predictive capabilities can help anticipate power outages before they occur, diverting resources to prevent disruption and enhance safety. And what about renewable energy sources? AI can optimize the harnessing of wind, solar, and hydropower, predicting weather patterns and adjusting systems to maximize output. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating a sustainable future, reducing our carbon footprint, and preserving our planet for generations to come. The energy sector in 2030 will be smarter and cleaner thanks to AI. Cashing in at number 3, finance. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize the finance sector. The future of finance is not just about crunching numbers, it's about making those numbers work for us in smarter ways. Consider risk assessment. Traditionally, it's been a game of educated guesses and manual data analysis. But with AI, we can automate and enhance this process. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. Then there's trading. Automated trading systems powered by AI can process financial market data in real time, making split-second decisions that humans simply can't match. This means more efficient trading and potentially higher returns. And let's not forget personalized financial advice. AI can provide custom recommendations based on a person's financial habits, goals, and risk tolerance. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Finance in 2030 will be all about smart money management, lights, camera, AI at number 2, entertainment. As the curtains rise on the next decade, artificial intelligence is primed to take center stage in the entertainment industry. It's all about personalization. Imagine a world where your favorite streaming platform knows exactly what you're in the mood for, tailoring content recommendations based on your past preferences and current mood. It's like having a personal concierge for your entertainment needs. But it doesn't stop there. AI isn't just changing how we consume content, but also how it's created. From enhancing visual effects to producing high-quality CGI, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Even more fascinating, the advent of interactive entertainment. Think virtual reality video games where the storyline adapts to your decisions in real time. It's the future of gaming and immersive entertainment experiences. Entertainment in 2030 will be a highly immersive and personalized experience. This is the magic of AI, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. And dominating at number 1, data analysis. As the data deluge intensifies, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we interpret and understand this vast information. With AI-powered analytics, we can sift through the noise to find the valuable insights hidden within. But that's just the beginning. AI is also transforming the way we predict future trends. By learning from past data, AI can build models that accurately forecast what's likely to occur, enabling us to prepare for the future with unprecedented foresight. And then there's decision-making. AI takes the guesswork out of complex decisions by analyzing all the available data and providing the best course of action. It's like having a superpowered advisor always on hand, guiding every step with data-driven wisdom. AI's impact on data analysis is profound and far-reaching. It's not just about understanding the world better, but about shaping it more effectively. Data analysis in 2030 will be the backbone of all industries, making AI the master key to innovation. So there you have it, the top 10 industries where AI will dominate by 2030. From agriculture to data analysis, we've taken a journey through the sectors most likely to see transformational change. In each industry, the potential of AI is vast, offering solutions to long-standing problems and opening up new opportunities for growth and innovation. In agriculture, AI will revolutionize the way we grow food. In manufacturing, it will redefine production lines. In healthcare, education, retail, and transportation, AI will enhance services and operations, promoting efficiency and sustainability. The energy sector will see a shift towards optimal resource utilization, while finance will experience heightened accuracy and risk management. In entertainment, AI will reshape content creation, and in data analysis, it will unlock insights previously out of reach. As we step into the future, one thing is certain: AI will be at the helm of innovation, steering us towards a world we've only dreamed of.